In Genesis 1:1, the Bible says, "In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth." And in Revelation 21:1, "Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth." In Genesis 1:5, the darkness he called night. But in Revelation 22:5, there shall be no night there. God made the sun and the moon to rule the day and the night, Genesis 1:16. But in Revelation 21:23, the city has no need of the sun or the moon, for the glory of God illuminates it. In the garden, God warned, "In the day you eat of it, you shall surely die," Genesis 2:17. But in the city of God there shall be no more death, nor sorrow, nor crying, Revelation 21:4. In Eden, sin entered the garden, Genesis 3:6. But in Revelation 21:27, nothing impure will ever enter the city. In Genesis 3:1, Satan appears as the deceiver. But in Revelation 20:10, the devil was cast into the lake of fire forever. The serpent had his victory, Genesis 3:14. But the Lamb reigns forever, Revelation 22:3. Man hid from God in Eden, Genesis 3:8. But in Revelation 21:3-4, the dwelling of God is with men, and he will dwell with them. Cursed is the ground for your sake, Genesis 3:17. But in the new heaven there shall be no more curse, Revelation 22:3. I will greatly multiply your pain, Genesis 3:16. But now neither shall there be pain any more, Revelation 21:4. Paradise was closed, Genesis 3:24. But now its gates shall never be shut, Revelation 21:25. Man's dominion was broken, Genesis 3:17. But in the end they shall reign forever and ever, Revelation 22:5. The tree of life was guarded and lost, Genesis 3:24. But through Christ they may have the right to the tree of life, Revelation 22:14. They were driven from his presence, Genesis 3:24. But now they shall see his face, Revelation 22:4. And the Spirit and the bride say, "Come," Revelation 22:17. Let the one who hears say, "Come." Let the thirsty come and take the water of life freely. This is the story of God. This is the story of redemption. This is the story of Jesus Christ, Revelation 22:21.